Okay, today we're going to show you how to replace an old antiquated GE DS64 meter with a new meter from GE, the EPM 7000, using a SUSI adapter. Okay, first of all, you just undo the screws on all four corners. And you put that aside. You won't need that again. And you take the paddles, you unplug the paddles, which shorts the CTs so you don't have to turn the power off or rewire anything. Just put those aside because you're going to need those in a minute. Then take the unlatch the cage, slide it out, and put that aside. You won't need that again. Then you take your new GE meter in the SUSI adapter. Carefully slide that in all the way. Make sure it's latched securely. Take your original paddles. That's putting the meter into service. Connect it up. Take the cover that comes with the adapter. Place it over it. And screw in the thumb screws. And there you have it. Where there was a GE DS64, old antiquated meter, now you have a new electronic meter from GE, the EPM 7000.